What's saying, YouTube? World War Mini here. I just wanted to take a second out of my day and just give you guys a warning on how bad the green stuff world X-Acto knife is. This is the worst X-Acto knife I've ever owned in my entire life, and I've been modeling since like '96. I even bought two of them. They were so bad, like I can't even believe it. I had to return one. And now I just use it for photo etch, rolling, or working with putty. That was the first one I got. I figured I'd give it a chance because they claim to be good, but this is so bad. Like, I'll get a fresh blade here. Like that just comes off. I don't even understand the point of that. And then what is this thing? Like, how is it supposed to hold a blade? It is beyond bad. Like, now this is dangerous. This is just a standard number 11. Like, I don't understand. Okay, like, pisses you off. It's so bad. Now I'm getting this blade rusty because I'm sweating. It's just a waste of money now. Even if you could get it in, like here I have an RB Models, what are they called? You know, it's one of their great sets. They make these awesome tools for your X-Acto knife blades. You can do all these cool things like Scribe-Rs, and I always use the little micro saws for working with resin, as you can see I'm doing right now. But I was just like looking through for an extra thing. And let's just say we try to get that in. That doesn't even hold. And then we build it back up, which doesn't make any sense to me. We put this thing on, which is somehow supposed to tighten it. I'm like, look at this. It's a joke, man. Like, this was $6 plus shipping and handling and my time looking at it, getting excited. Again, I can't even get a regular blade. Let's try a different one. See, the other ones I have are more medium handled. I can't even get those in, but this is so bad. Honestly, if you get one, first thing you should do is just take it apart, and now you got a nice, this part unscrews. Now you got a nice brass tube. This is actually very useful for PE work, even for putty work, but I'm telling you, I'll try one more time. I'll do a clean build, even without the casing. I cannot get a number 11 blade. There we go, just in. Like, this is dangerous, man. These are sharp, fresh blades. Okay, just got it in. Okay, so just look at this. Like, you kidding me? Let me grab something from the graveyard. I'll throw some goggles on just because I don't trust these cutters. Like, look at this. Like, I can't even explain how bad this thing is. And this is honestly like a year and a half after buying these. I've just been finally fed out. I've just been staring at it. Like, this is the stupidest thing I've ever owned. Of course you get a cutter too, but like that feels so unsafe. I don't feel comfortable at all using this thing. It is the shittiest X-Acto knife I've ever owned in my life. Now we go to the Excels, or even the X-Acto brand. I've upgraded to the Fisker, which isn't even that good. I just like the metal base. Like, it still feels a little flimsy at the top. You really have to tighten it. But this is good for basic work. This is a comfortable, good medium weight. Of course, I've got the Excel version, that medium. But This actually has some weight to it, and I like working with weight. This is very light, but again, this is amazing. Well made. I've had this. This will outlive me. So will these. These are great. Like, I have plenty of them. I don't know where they all went. Oh, there's another one. There's another one. Like, these are great. I'll buy these any day. I look for them. You see them in garage sales. But this Green Stuff World X-Acto garbage is the worst blade in the world. Do not ever buy this X-Acto knife unless you're looking for a cheap rollers. This is one, cheap is all world made. Number two, it's dangerous. You can actually hurt yourself trying to put the blade in alone and just trying to use it. Like, it just feels so cheap the second you move it. Look at that. And like when I first got it, I remember I was cutting something and the blade almost came out. And it was like, man, this is actually dangerous. And thirdly, it's just, if you like modeling, you want to invest in good tools. They last you. And you wake up in the morning, you think about them, you go to work, you're excited. This is what you spend your money on, not this garbage. This is garbage. So please, take my warning. Do not buy the Green Stuff World X-Acto knife. Alright, World War Mini out. Thanks for checking in. Have a good day.